Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's tutorial episode, I'll be showing you how to sign up for Netflix. Netflix is an American over-the-top content platform and production company, headquartered in California. Netflix is a subscription-based streaming service, which offers online streaming from a library of films and television series including those produced in-house. It is available worldwide except China, Syria, North Korea and Crimea. In order to sign up to Netflix, go to your web browser and simply type in Netflix.com. Soon after you reach the official website of Netflix, enter your email address in the email address box. After you do that, tap on Get Started. On the next page, finish setting up your account by tapping on Continue. Create a password to start your membership. Tap on Add a Password field and create a password. If you don't want any kind of an email about Netflix special offers, check this box. If you do, leave it as it is, and tap on Continue. On the next page, you'll need to choose your plan. To do so, tap on See the Plans, choose a plan that is right for you between Basic, Standard, and Premium. Go through the information, and tap on Continue at the bottom. Tap on OK, thanks now. On third step, you'll need to set up your payment method. Choose any one you'd want and fill in your credit or debit card details on the next page. Enter your first name and on the next field, type in your last name. Now enter your card number, and on the next field type in the expiration date for your card. Enter your security code, and tap on I agree at the bottom. Tap on Start Membership, and you'll be able to sign up to Netflix in no time. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.